Hello everyone, welcome to the video review of Silent Storm. I have designed this PC for video editing and some light gaming. For motherboard, I'm using the Asus C87 6 formula, custom painted front plate. For CPU, I'm using the Intel i7 4790, 3.6 GHz. For RAM, I'm using the Corsair Vengeance 8GB DDR3 running at 1600 MHz. Windows 8.1, it's installed into a 120GB SSD. Games and applications are installed into a Blue Western Digital 1TB mechanical hard drive. For power supply, I am using nothing but the best. I got the EVGA Supernova 750G2 80+ Gold certified, fully modular, one of the best out there. Bang for the buck as well. And for graphics card, I'm using the Galax NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 Extreme Overclock White Edition 1367 MHz boost clock, and I have modified the card standing sideways on the case for a better look. Alright, to keep my i7 4790 on good temperatures, I am using the Corsair H60 pull and push configuration with the Corsair SP120 static pressure fans. I have to say guys, stressing the card, doing live gaming, live benchmarks, my CPU doesn't even reach 65 Celsius temperature. I am very happy with that, I have to say. Placing the Galax GTX 960 standing sideways was not an easy mod to do, but not impossible as well. I had so much fun and a little bit of a headache, lots of patience and creativity to get it done right. I really enjoyed the view, even though I lose the look of the awesome looking backplate. You know how I like to mod my computers, always placing a fan behind the graphics card. Right here, even though the graphics card is not centered between the fan, it still reaches the graphics card with plenty of airflow. I did my test, I have done temperature tests and everything, and it is performing very well. So I am going to leave the fan right there. You can also see that I removed every single tray for hard drives, and I only left one and two optional left for me to add more hard drives. I am not into computer cases that have the front closed panel, but this case right here made the exception. This case caught my eye. It is silent, plenty of airflow, it fits my components. I have done many tests and I said, yes, I will keep this case and I will build a silent computer. Alright, this is the back of the computer. Here are the connections, I/O connections, USB, everything else, you know, everything. Also the PCIe slots, and you can see right there where I mounted my graphics card. Now down there is the power supply. Take a look at that right there. I know you're probably going to hate because I didn't put a lot of time since I'm running short in time. So I kinda mounted it into the mesh and everything, which I will redo, and I'm going to do it better once I get home. Alright guys, back here is cable management. Right here it's where everything is connected. Now I did a tech talk video about cable management, so I'm going to link it down below in the description as well. Right here I got my 120GB SSD for Windows 8.1 and the connections for my hard drive as well. Now the cable management is something very important when you do a computer build. For the front I/O panel we got microphone input jack, headphone input jack, reset button, power LED button, two USB 2.0s, two USB 3.0s, and on top of the case, the top panel, I have a cover. One of the best features of this build, it's the way I mounted the graphics card. I posted these pictures on these Facebook pages and I'm getting a lot of feedback and a lot of questions. So anybody out there that is watching this video from the link that I put on the Facebook page, thank you, and that is how I mounted it. Very easy, very simple, and it only cost me $9 for the PCIe extender cable. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more greatness, stay tuned for more mods, more builds. As always, don't forget to subscribe, it's free. I'll see you guys on the next video.